What if I told you there are 3 compliments so powerful, so unusual, that they can make a woman think about you constantly? Not the basic "you're beautiful" or "you have nice eyes." These are psychological triggers that build real attraction. But use them carefully. If you're not careful, you might create a connection you didn't expect. You're about to learn 3 rare compliments that reach a woman's deepest emotions, ones that make her feel seen, understood, and drawn to you like a magnet. Before we start, let's fix a big mistake most men make when giving compliments. Many think it's about boosting a woman's ego. That's wrong. The best compliments don't just make her feel good, they touch her emotions. Most women hear the same old lines: "You look amazing," "I love your smile," "nice but forgettable." Why? Because she's heard them 1,000 times before. But when you say something deeper, something that touches her identity, that's when you become unforgettable. Before we begin, do not forget to subscribe so you will not miss our next videos. Let's begin. Forbidden compliment 1. There's something about the way you think it's different. This works because it creates curiosity. You're not complimenting her looks, but her mind. Most women are used to hearing about their beauty, not their thoughts. When you notice how she thinks, she starts wondering, what does he see in me? That small question stays in her mind. This taps into a psychological effect. People remember unfinished thoughts. When you say this, she'll want to know what you mean. Smile and say, "I'll tell you later," then change the topic. Now she's thinking about you long after you're gone. Forbidden compliment 2. You make people around you feel alive. Most men tell a woman she's attractive. Few tell her she adds something to the world. This compliment makes her feel valuable for who she is, not just how she looks. It tells her, "I see something special in you." Everyone fears being forgettable. This removes that fear. When you say this, you show her she has an impact on others. She'll link that strong positive feeling to you. It also connects to her need for significance, the feeling of being important and meaningful. Complimenting her beauty is common. Complimenting her energy is rare, and rare is magnetic. Forbidden compliment 3. I don't think you even realize how rare you are, and that's what fascinates me. This one is the most powerful. It makes her stop and think. It tells her she's one of a kind. Most women don't feel truly unique. They might feel pretty or smart, but rare, that's different. This triggers a deep response. People value what's hard to find. When you say this, she'll want to prove you right. She'll start showing you what makes her different. If she asks, "What makes you say that?" that's when you know it worked. These compliments are powerful, but must be used with care. If you overuse them, you might create an attachment you didn't plan for, but when used wisely, they make you unforgettable. If you want to go even deeper and learn how to build lasting attraction over time, watch the next lesson on the power of compounding. It reveals the secret to creating long-term success, not just in attraction, but in every part of life. Thank you, and do not forget to subscribe.